Going on? Hopefully y'all are having a good day. If you're new to the crew, make sure you subscribe, get notified for all videos just like this. But if you're already part of the crew, salute. But today we're going to be taking a look at the ZTE Blade V20 Smart. Now, not to be confused with the Blade V Smart, this is the Blade V20 Smart, so it's an upgraded model. We're going to go ahead and take a look at this device in a little bit more detail, but it goes by the name of the V20 Smart, the ZTE 8010. So it's the 4G model, it does have 4G LTE, it's 6.8 inches, which is kind of crazy. I like that. 720 display by 1640. Octa-core processing chip with 16 megapixel and 8 megapixel on the front, 8 megapixel plus a macro and a portrait. You also do get 4 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of internal storage on this guy, which is pretty nuts. So I'm kind of excited to check this out. So without any further talking, I'm going to go ahead and open up the box for you so you can see what comes inside of it. But what I did notice is that the ZTE Blade V Smart does come with DTS audio, which sounds amazing on that device. But it doesn't say anything about this one having it or not. So we'll find out right now. But we do get 4G LTE on this guy. So let's go ahead and cut open the... I left my knife in the other room, so I'm going to use this guy right here. Okay, boom. So let's go ahead and see what comes inside the box. All right, so nothing inside the top. Let's put this right here. Okay, so when you look at the phone, you get this pull-out option right here. Then the phone is inside. I'm gonna put this down for a second. See what comes inside of here. Are you kidding me? All right, so I'm gonna put this right here. We do get a case right here, which is really crazy. Now, look how big this case is. It's a gel style case, so it's gonna be very, you know, flexible and things of that nature. Let's put that down. We get your pin for your remover tool. Look at the way this thing is shaped. It looks pretty cool. You also do get user information. Not sure what that is. More information, terms and conditions, and the startup guide. So this guy will have the option for a a SIM card and a nano as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at what comes inside the box. So let's flip this upside down. Wow, that's crazy. Look at this, guys. So right here you can see the bands this thing has: 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 28, 66, and 26. There's a sticker on the back of it, and then on the front of it there's also a sticker, but this thing looks tremendous. We have a 6.82 inch full HD plus, well, HD plus display, 16 megapixel, 8 megapixel plus 2 megapixels. And I just like I said before, I just read all of that. So I'm gonna peel off the sticker on the front of the device. Put this off to the side. And then there's another sticker to the back of it. So let me just talk about the texture, which does look like it's all plastic. You get this sticker right here. Okay, cool. So the back of here is like a, let me just show you. It's hard to describe. It's like all plastic. It looks like it's textured, but it's not. It's got this really smooth surface to it. Very smooth. I actually like this a lot. I'm gonna power this on, and the buttons are flush inside of the phone. The power button especially is flush inside of the phone because the fingerprint is attached to the side as well. So the fingerprint is attached to that power button right there. You get your volume rocker, and then your SIM tray remover tool right there. You can see it says ZTE right here, but there's some more stuff inside of here as well. So let me just see what comes in here. Wow, that looks gorgeous. That display is huge. So you get this in here and this. So let's see what else comes in here. That's your wall brick, and you get English. Let's go ahead and start up with the English, and this is going to work with LTE on, you know, most carriers, guys, it has 4G. It does support 4G. You get your type. Let me just make sure Type C right there. If something else is in here. One more thing is in here. I'm not sure what this is. Oh, that's nothing. That's like a divider. Wait, there's something at the bottom. Headphones. What? They went all out? Okay. Are you kidding me? And these are actually, you know, like just regular cheap headphones. You can see right there. But they kind of look like earbuds or I'm not even sure what they're called. Headphones. So let's put this off to the side and then let's take a look at the phone right here, Skip. But this is a 6.8-inch display, guys. Let's see the networks that come on here. 91% of the box. Let me see all available networks. So I do see the regular one right here. I don't see the 5 gigahertz one that I should be able to connect to. So I'm assuming this phone doesn't have the 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. So I'm gonna enter my password in real quick because I just wanna test this thing out real quick. Let me see if I could remember it by heart. It's a really long password. But look at the size of this thing, guys. Now the chin is actually a lot bigger than the top portion. I'm not sure why the companies are doing that now. But you can see it does have a top teardrop at the top with some pretty substantial bezels on the side as well. Let's skip this part. Let me see, continue. So you can see right there, that's how the screen looks like. It says Eastern Daylight automatically. So let's go ahead, click more. Even though this phone is 6.8 inches, I honestly like the size and feel of it in my hand. It says device security, face unlock, fingerprint, and password as well. So let's do the face one, and then we can do a pattern pin or password. Okay, so let me just put my face right in the middle. Well, these things set up really quick, and then you can enter your fingerprint as well. So, wow, it's on the side, guys. So I really like that. The screen is super bright on that camera. So let me show you from this one. Wow, that's pretty responsive. So my left hand I'm using my pointer. So when I switch it to my right hand, I'm gonna set up another fingerprint. Setup. It's gonna ask me to put another pattern in for security, and then you could just enter the one. So this time it's my thumb. This phone is a large phone, guys. It's 6.8 inches. It has a 5,000 milliamp hour battery, guys. And one of the things I like about it, also does have Android 10 on here as well. The V Smart had the Android 9. Now it's telling me that I could use the system navigation and everything like that, and how to get to my most recent apps. Gestures, it tells you could do the virtual buttons as well. So this is ZTE's latest device. It says that we do have the start your Mi Favor UI. So this is the Mi Favor UI, my favor. Okay, cool. I got a nice little sound there. Wow, the home screen looks nice. We get some bloat on here. WPS Office, weather, voice recorder, real football, puzzle pets, private space, MC gun rebels or rebel guns, and then asphalt nitros on here. Remember, guys, let me go into the storage so I could show you how much is coming out of the box. I'm gonna put the phone case on here as well so you guys can see what that looks like. Let me just see. Okay, so it's the last piece is kind of, I'm having a hard time getting that over. Dang, man. Let me see. Okay, you can fold it, and then that's what the case looks like on the phone. Let me test out the fingerprint with my left hand. One more time. Wait, a mistouch. One more time. One more time. Okay, cool. So it has to be dead on the button. I like it better when I'm touching it with my thumb for some reason. But this screen is absolutely enormous. This thing is enormous when it comes to size. Let's look at the shade when you pull down the bar here. Wow. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth hotspot, auto rotate, lock, night light, do not disturb, read mode, dark mode, DTS sound, which is what I was looking for. I like that. And then we do have auto sync as well as ultra battery savings mode. A ton of features on this device, guys. I can't stress that enough. Let's go into the camera real quick. And right here it says use all the time. So let's pull out, let's see, what does this say right here? It says slide to the left to get to each mode and everything of that nature. So it says right here, start capture. All right, cool. So this is the normal mode, guys. Let's see the autofocus on here. Let me zoom all the way out, zoom back in. It's having a hard time like going onto his face as far as getting the detail there, but let's see. Okay, there it is. Let me show you what that looks like. So a little bit blurry, but you could still see the colors are really nice. You know, it's not the best of light in the world. Right here, I got beauty mode. I got portrait for bokeh. I could turn the camera around, guys, and let me see if it zooms. Wow, it does zoom. That's pretty crazy. It's 8 megapixel on the front. It's zooming in on the front, which is crazy. Beauty mode to make your face appear younger or older. Flash on the front. Let me take a picture and see what that looks like. Oh, so that just makes the screen white and then it just brightens it up. So far the cameras look good on here. Let me turn the camera back around to the rear. Wait, what did I just do? I thought this was the button. Okay, cool. Now you're gonna get your aperture mode. 2.8 is my favorite right here. This is for portraits. So it's gonna be able to keep the image in the front nice and focused, and then in the image in the background it'll blur out. Okay, so I just took that. It says image processing. So let me show you what that looks like. So roadblock is blurred out, as you can see right there in the back. And then Naruto is nice. I got a lot of detail on him here. It looks really beautiful right there. So nice cameras. Good job on the cameras as far as the beauty and the portrait modes go. Let's see what other, we do get a macro on here as well. And let me see, I'm still on that portrait mode. So let me take that off. And I'm still on beauty mode, so let me take that off. And this is where we can adjust this option. This gives us a wide angle right here. So that's my wide angle camera. Cool. So you have to do is press that button. And then it says right here, if you move over, you can get the different options here. So I have picture size, AI scene recognition. I'm gonna turn that on as well. Let me take, is there a shutter sound? I'm gonna turn that off if there is. And then, so then you got your modes here. This is macro. I just slid to the left. I got auto, manual, burst, panorama, filters. Let's take a look at those. Warm, history, mono, winter, that looks nice. Nashville, blue, vivid, nostalgia, Kevin, wait, Calvin, my bad. All right, cool. So this thing is solid. I really like the size of it. Has a nice feel in the hands. Overall, it's really nice size, really nice battery as well. Side mounted fingerprint. I like how they put it there. Let's test out the facial recognition. Wow, that was quick. You saw that? Before I even got a chance to look, it was open. Oh wait, hold on. Oh yeah, 1, 2, 3. Verify my face. The first time it was quicker. All right, it's not recognizing me now, but let me try my fingerprint. It also does have this like step counter at the bottom, I just noticed. Right here at the bottom, it says that it's counting my steps. So it's got a pedometer inside of the phone, which is crazy. Let me know what you guys think about the ZTE Blade V20 Smart. This thing looks really nice as far as my first impressions. You got this nice size, nice texture on the back. It feels really good in the hand. 263 pixels per inch, you know, medium density display. A MediaTek Helio P60, 4 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of internal storage, with the 60 megapixel camera on the rear, 8 on the front. But I'm gonna do more videos on this. Make sure you guys stay locked in, hit the bell icon so you can get notified when more videos come out. But show your support and appreciation if you found this video helpful. That would mean a lot to the channel. But I'll get right back with you guys later, crew. Peace.